Good afternoon YouTube, and welcome along to another episode of Silver Fox Travels. Today, as you can see, I'm at the NEC and I'm having a look at the motorcycle live show. I'm particularly going to have a look at the Triumphs, Royal Enfield and BSA if they're here. It's going to be quite an interesting show, so I'm looking forward to being able to show you quite a lot of interesting bikes. So let's not mess about, let's get in there and have a really good look around. Come on then. Right then, well, here we are at the BSA stand. We're going to have a closer look at some of these bikes. I've noticed though that the styling of them is pretty much the same as it has been all the way through. There is a very nice blacked out one which we'll have a closer look at now. But yeah, the bikes seem to be exactly the same as they were when they were first released. I'd have thought there might have been perhaps a scrambler version or something like that, but not yet. We'll have to wait for that. Okay, right, here we are at Royal Enfield. We're going to have a quick look around now. There's the new Himalayan 450 water cooled, and of course the 350 Bullet is here as well. So let's go and take a closer look at those. And here we are at the Triumph stand. The Triumph 400s are both in. I'm going to take a closer look at them, and maybe one or two of the other bikes from Triumph. We'll see what there is here on offer. Right, so that's it for Motorcycle Live 2023. We've had an absolutely smashing time looking at all those bikes in there, and I hope you have too. I'm going to end the video at this point now, and in the usual way I shall say, look after yourselves, look after the people around you, and until next time, bye for now.